never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say any more than desire? More than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh, yeah.
So now that you've seen my warm-up routine, let's go. I am about to show you my face care routine. It is bedtime, and so I start off by washing my face with MalyNature's hydrating aloe vera based face wash. This face wash is really good for removing makeup, any build up and debris, and it leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. So I just make a lather and I wash. I get the product all over. They say you should spend at least a minute lathering your face when washing. Sometimes I go in and I use a facial brush for added exfoliation. Just like so. This is really good if you don't want to use any gritty exfoliant. It cleanses your skin really well. Once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go in and give my face a nice rinse. And I'm telling you guys, it felt so fresh, felt so relaxing. Getting my face washed here. Okay, pat dry with a clean towel. And then I'm going to go in with my toner. Now this toner is something I've had for a very long time. In fact, I was cleaning out my cupboard and then I found it, as well as the rose water there. I got them from a spa I used to work at some time ago. I thought they were finished actually. Until I found them under there. But very refreshing, very hydrating toner. It does not dry the skin out. It's from Primavera. I'm not sure if they still have it. Now I'm gonna go in with my own serum. So serum made by me. It is infused with herbs and botanicals such as turmeric, licorice, and some other amazing ingredients to clarify the skin, even the skin tone, and just to give you an overall soft, hydrated look and feel. Yeah, I let that dry just a little bit. If you have a facial fan, then that's great. Doesn't take long to dry at all. Seeps right into the skin, guys. I'm then gonna go in with my botanical skin, body and facial oil. In fact, this oil can be used in your hair. It can be used on your face. It can be used with your lotion or body cream or by itself. So it's really a multi-purpose lotion, and then nothing, I promise you, nothing removes makeup better than this oil. Plus, it doesn't dry the skin out like some other makeup removers do. So it's a win-win here. It's fast acting for breaking down the makeup. You just apply it to your skin, and then you use a nice sponge or whatever it is that you use, cotton, to just remove the makeup. You could even wash your face right afterwards if you want to. And this is probably one of my favorite things that I make, and it is the buttermilk face cream. When I tell you this is a dream, this is a dream. I used to use Olay face cream religiously, and I stopped a few years ago when I started making my own skincare products. And I'm telling you, not tooting my own horn, but I prefer this facial cream even more than my Olay. Look, with that, even more than when I used to use Olay. Just look at it. Look at my skin. How soft, how smooth it looks. Yeah, the buttermilk face cream, guys. If you try nothing else, I encourage you to try that. I just love it so much. And then I'm just going to spritz my skin with the rose water. Again, this rose water I've had from a previous spa I used to work at. Still works very well. It's from Primavera. I'm not sure if they still have that. But anyway, that's it. I'm done. Off to bed I go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go get it, oh get it. Get yours, MalyNature.com. Bye.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me from my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27.